If you need to delete unsubscribed contacts on Mailchimp, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can clean up your audience safely and confidently. This is especially useful if you want to keep your list organized, remove contacts you no longer need, and manage your audience more efficiently. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, head over to the audience section. This is where all of your contacts are stored, and it's the place you'll use to find unsubscribed contacts. Next, scroll down until you see subscription status. Click on that option so you can filter your contacts by their current status. From here, select unsubscribed. This tells Mailchimp that you want to view only the contacts who have opted out of your emails. After that, tick the contacts that you want to delete. You can select one contact or multiple contacts depending on how many you want to remove. Once your contacts are selected, click the three dots menu. This opens up the action options for those contacts. From the menu, click Delete. Mailchimp will then ask you to confirm the deletion before anything is permanently removed. At this stage, tick the Delete confirmation box. Then, click Continue to delete. Mailchimp will show one more warning message to make sure you understand that this action cannot be undone. Tick I understand to acknowledge the warning. After that, type permanently delete exactly as shown into the confirmation field. This step is required to finalize the removal. Once you've typed it in, click permanently delete to complete the process. And just like that, the unsubscribed contacts you selected will be removed from your Mailchimp audience. This is a great way to keep your list clean and better organized, especially if you're managing a large number of contacts. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.